This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone and software, because location of controls changed in recent iOS updates. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Make sure Auto Brightness is switched on. Once done, return to Display and Brightness and enable True Tone if available, and Night Shift for warm tones at night. This combination lets the device adjust luminance and color contextually, so your eyes and battery both benefit. Now calibrate the system. Set the brightness slider where it feels comfortable in typical light, because the ambient sensor adapts from that baseline. Then configure low power mode to cap peak brightness when battery is low, and use focus or do not disturb schedules to reduce screen intensity during work or sleep. Once you've scheduled night shift and set appearance, the phone will blend auto brightness with these modes, making changes predictable and preserving power. Finish by testing auto brightness across different environments. Step into sunlight, then a dim room, and watch how quickly the display adapts. If adjustments are slow or inconsistent, first reboot your iPhone and ensure the sensor isn't blocked by a case or dirt. Make sure low power mode or third-party battery apps aren't overriding behavior. If problems persist, reset all settings. This clears misconfigurations but preserves data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.